Deceitful to others is a loss to oneself. The Fox's Conspiracy. The fox, closing his eyes, says to himself, "Ha ha ha. I am a fox, the number one cunning person in this forest. If they had given me the Nobel Prize for my cunning, now it would have been written next to my name, Professor Dr. Engineer Fox, PhD in cunning. In this forest, tigers are strong, elephants are big, deer run, but no one has a brain. I am sitting alone eating all the brains, but there is one problem. If I don't deceive, my food, drinks, fun, stories, everything turns to dust. So every day I have to deceive someone or something. Today I am thinking, I should do something about the donkey. Looking at his simplicity, it seems, his intelligence is not in his brain, but in his stomach. If I don't deceive such a stupid animal, my name is a lie."
Meeting a donkey. Donkey, singing. Hey, I am a donkey, I sing. When the melody comes out of my throat, mountains break, rivers dry up, birds fly away, people pat my head. But I say, those who say my songs are good, don't really understand the value of art. My song will one day make it to the international music charts. The forest will be named Donkey Rockstar in the top dosh.
Fox, smiling, "Oh donkey, you don't even know how talented you are. If even the trees cry after listening to your song, think, what will the Tiger King do if he hears it? I swear, he will happily make you the nightingale of the forest. The king may gift you a mountain of carrots, a banana garden, and a tank of oil. Then you will be a celebrity. Posters will be put up all over the forest. Live concert by Donkey Bhai. Everyone will buy tickets and listen to your song." Donkey, squinting, laughing, "Oh my. Is that so? If I sing to the tiger, will my fan following reach millions? Will I become a YouTube star? Will my dance on TikTok go viral? If that's the case, I'll leave today. You stay by my side, Fox, because fans can't go without a manager." Fox, smiling, "Come on, you're the real star of the forest. I'll be the producer, you'll sing, the tiger will be the audience. I'll take care of the rest." Concert in front of the tiger, in a sleepy voice. "Hey, who dared to ruin my afternoon sleep? If even an ant makes a sound while I am sleeping, I will grill it alive. And here I hear someone making such a melody, it seems that the violin string has torn, the air is stuck in the flute, and the sound of someone's stomach ache has been mixed in. Who is this criminal?" Donkey, puffing up his chest with pride, "Master, I am that artist, I am the donkey. From today you can call me Melody King Donkey. I have an ocean of melody in my throat, a mountain of rhythm. Today I will sing to you, you will dance with joy." Donkey starts singing, in a monotonous tone. Donkey is a rock star, the best star in the forest. Open your voice and sing, let the whole world hear. Tiger covers both ears. "Ah mother, stop, stop, my eardrums are bursting. This is not a song, this is a rehearsal for a lightning strike. I thought my ears would bleed. Fox, do you want to kill me? You sent me to listen to such a terrible concert." Donkey, in fear, "Tiger King, I heard that you are an artist. Fox brother said that after listening to my song, you would give me a prize. I thought that gold would hang around my neck, not meat in my stomach." The fox is caught. The tiger catches the fox and brings it. "Hey Fox, are you kidding me? Do you think I am dumb, that I cannot understand good and bad songs? Today I will punish you in such a way that even your grandchildren will remember it. Fox, in a crying and laughing manner, no sir, I really thought that the donkey's voice had a heavenly melody. I had heard that the gods in heaven listen and cry. Who knew that even an ant would run away after hearing this voice? If I had known, I would have come wearing earplugs, glasses and earphones. Tiger, screaming, shut up, you have tricked me. So the punishment will be, first listen to the donkey's song, then dance, and then I will eat you. Donkey, smiling, long dialogue, Jal bhai, aha, what is your situation? You wanted to cheat me, now you have fallen into your own hole. I am just a spectator now, having fun. I see you singing, dancing, crying, all at once. This is the combo package of Jal bhai, so remember one thing, when you cheat others, you harm yourself. Tiger, rolling around laughing, ha ha ha, you are right, donkey, from today on, the fox will be the forest clown dancer, his name will be DJ Jal, concert manager to Donkey Rockstar. Fox, shaking his head, oh father, today, while trying to be clever, I made a grave for myself. If someone asks, what have you learned? I will say, don't go around trying to trick others, otherwise one day you will have to dance in front of a tiger, clap your hands in front of a donkey. Lesson, if you trick others, you will only harm yourself. Even if you don't hear the donkey's song, learn, do good deeds, otherwise one day you will have to wag your tail in front of a tiger.